Aloha Fuse Hawaii family, welcome back to our new YouTube channel. And again, I'm welcoming back my girl Kisa, who will be on makeup, and we will be mixing it up with my newest collection, my Puakenikeni collection, which hasn't launched yet, and by the time you see this it will probably have launched. So mixed with my Puakenikeni collection and her makeup, I hope you love what we come up with. Fuse Hawaii is based on really being inspired, being creative, and being able to mix my skill set, my creativity with someone else's is always a joy to me. So I love sharing this with you. Thank you for tuning in and enjoy. Bye.
I believe we have a look. Hi, I'm back. So I'm going to walk you through what I envisioned for our Puakenikeni print. First, with a light beige color, kind of to give us a good base to put the yellow on top. And to clean up your whole eyelid. Go with the beige. Now I'm gonna go in with the yellow. Let's see. So I'm gonna put that directly onto my entire lid because this is the color I want us to focus on. And I'm gonna try to not go above the crease. I'm just gonna keep it on my eyelid. That's looking vibrant. I'm also wearing leggings. You guys didn't notice. Then I'm gonna go in with a neutral color just to blend around the yellow. Just because I like to show a little smoke on the outside. I feel like it complements my eye shape nice, and it works for pretty much everyone I've done it on. See, just a little difference, not like a lot of color. Palm Springs Dreams, and it's called Mocktail. This gives me a little bit of an orangey vibe, just because there are oranges in the base of the Puakenikeni. I'm just gonna put some right along the eyelash line on the bottom. I'm gonna go in with a nude eyeliner. And I'm going to go right on my waterline, and that's just going to make me look a little more awake. Also, try not to put too much mascara on. Depending on what kind of eyelashes you choose to put on, sometimes the mascara is so thick that it starts to change the look of the eyelashes, because your actual eyelashes will be so thick that if it's like a wispy eyelash and there's some spaces in between, you'll see your actual eyelash shining through. I'm going to go in with my Lash Honey eyelashes in style 29. Put these bad boys on. Eyelashes are very unpredictable. There's been times when I've fully been on my way out the door, running to my car, clamping an eyelash on with my fingers, and they look great. Alright, so now I'm just applying the lash glue. You're supposed to let it sit for about 30 seconds. I never have the patience to do that, honestly, so I wait for about 10 to 15 and sometimes struggle because they're still wet. Check it out. Wow. That made a huge difference. Whoa, that was almost... Oh, that was a lot for me to see. Nice. Fun. I'm still going to use a little bit of lip liner. That looks good. I don't really want there to be a harsh line, so I'm just going to go on the inside and blend it out with the warmth of my finger. Alright, this is my finished look. Folks, I believe we have a look. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thanks for stopping by and hanging out with me and Fused and seeing our new print. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you guys soon.
And we're back. And I hope you enjoyed watching that. I hope you love the final look. I hope you were inspired to grab, if you don't have a piece of the Puakenikeni collection, just grab any Fuse Hawaii bikini. Fuse Hawaii bikini, yes. And use that as an inspiration for your next look, your next color palette. Take a selfie, post it in our feed, post it in our comments, tag us on Instagram, Facebook, all of that. We love to see what you've created on your own, and to be able to share that with you makes me happy. So I hope you all enjoyed us playing around behind the camera, and we'll see you again on the next episode. Bye!